Your power tool uses a basic toggle switch. After thousands of cycles and years of use, the switch will wear out. Testing for a bad switch can be easily done using a multimeter. Replacing the on-off switch is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing one half of the rear handle. Now I have access to the switch, and I can pull it out of the housing. I'll take note of the location of each wire, and then I can remove them. The black wires at the bottom of the switch are secured with screws. I'll remove them first. The wires on the top of the switch are held with what's called a trapdoor connector. To remove those wires, I'll need a small pick. I insert the pick next to the wire, that opens up the connector, and then I can pull the wire away. Now I can install the new switch. On the side of the switch where the black wire is attached, first I'll reattach the white wire from the motor. Then the purple wire from the motor. While I'm working on this side, I'll reattach the black wires. The black wire from the motor, and the black wire from the cord. On the other side of the switch, I'll install the white wire from the cord, and the peach-colored wire from the motor. And now the switch is ready to go back into the housing. As I reinstall the switch, I want to make sure that all the wires go through the proper openings in the housing so that nothing gets pinched. Also, I need to make sure that the reverse lever is attached to the post on the reverse portion of the switch. One last check of the wires, make sure everything's out of the way so it won't get pinched, and I'll reinstall the handle half. I'll line the handle and then secure it with the screws. And that's all it takes to install a new switch on your power tool. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up.
And leave a comment.